This is one of those gaming desktops that doesn't try too hard to impress on paper, but once you actually start using it, you realize it's built around a very practical idea: deliver stable performance where it matters most. Right out of the box, this setup is designed to handle both gaming and everyday workloads without needing immediate upgrades. At the center of it all is the AMD Ryzen 7 5700G, an 8-core processor that still holds strong for modern usage. It's fast enough for gaming, but also capable when it comes to multitasking, whether that's running editing software, streaming, or juggling multiple apps at once. Then there's the memory configuration, and this is where things get noticeably better than typical entry-level systems. With 32 gigabytes of RAM, this machine doesn't feel limited. Switching between tasks is smooth, background apps don't slow things down, and even heavier workflows feel manageable. It gives the system a kind of headroom that makes it feel more future-ready. Storage is equally impressive for this category. A 2 terabytes SSD means speed and space come together in a way that actually benefits daily use. Boot times are quick, applications open instantly, and there's enough room to install multiple large games without constantly worrying about storage limits. Now, when it comes to gaming, the graphics card plays the biggest role. This system includes an AMD Radeon RX 6400 with 4 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory. It's not aiming for ultra settings in the latest blockbuster titles, but that's not really the point here. Instead, it's built for smooth and consistent 1080p gaming. In real-world use, competitive games run comfortably with solid frame rates. Titles like Fortnite, Valorant, and similar esports games perform well on this setup. Even more demanding games are playable, but you'll want to adjust settings to maintain smooth performance. It's about finding that balance between visuals and responsiveness. The overall experience feels stable rather than extreme. It doesn't chase high-end benchmarks, but it delivers a reliable gaming experience that most users will appreciate. Looking at the design, it keeps things simple and modern. The mica silver finish gives it a clean appearance, and the compact size makes it easy to fit into almost any setup. It doesn't take up unnecessary space, and it blends well into both gaming and workspace environments. Connectivity is another area where it checks the right boxes. With Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, you get fast and stable wireless performance. Whether connecting accessories or playing online, the connection remains consistent and responsive. The inclusion of Windows 11 means everything is ready from the start. Setup is quick, and the system feels modern right away. It's built for users who want to plug in and start using it without complications. So who is this really for? This system is ideal for anyone looking for a pre-built gaming desktop that offers a balance of performance and convenience. It works well for casual gamers, students, and even users who need a reliable machine for both work and entertainment. However, it's important to set expectations. This isn't a high-end system built for 4K gaming or maximum settings across every new title. The GPU sets a clear limit there. But within its range, especially for 1080p gaming and everyday use, it performs consistently well. Overall, this desktop focuses on delivering a smooth and dependable experience. It avoids unnecessary extras and instead prioritizes performance, usability, and value. If you're planning to get one, check the link in the description for the latest price and availability before making a decision.